The My Downline section will let you know who you have within your organization. People that you've directly responsored. What do they look like? Who are they? And when it's there, for example, these are fake, not real accounts. They were created so that I can be able to make videos for you. But so we don't have them all active. Some of them they activate and they do things so I can know. And so it works like this. You get to find out exactly what levels they're on, and you want to know what how many people they've sponsored. You can look and review their referrals. It'll show you that information on any of them, right? If they don't have anyone, you just never get to see it. So it's just a great way for you to know who's with you, what their email address is. If you want to reach out and contact them, you can, right? To encourage them, let them know if you're doing something really cool. If you want to send them a share code for one of the products so they can share it, you can do that. If you want to remind them to go to our YouTube tonight to be able to watch the YouTube live overview or to get in the Telegram and not miss any of the things, that's where you could use that email to do that. And you can know when they join and how they join and what goes on with them. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty self-explanatory stuff. Just make sure if you want to know how they're doing, if you're expecting them to cycle soon, you can look at how many people they referred and that are active. That'll give you a general idea if you can have expectations of some residual income from that.